happy, healthy, and you feel terrific. Let's start off with a song. Do you remember the song Rise and Shine? Yeah, me too. So we'll do Rise and Shine and welcome to school today. Well, we're not at school today. So instead, let's check our feelings right now. Well, I'm smiling. Yes, I feel happy. Do you feel happy? I hope so. So instead of welcome to school today, we'll say, and be happy, happy. When you do happy, happy, you make this. Yes, a smiling, little smiling face. All right, are you guys ready? Okay, a one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. We're so glad you're here. Good, let's try it again. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. We're so glad you're here. Let's sing it loud. Ready? We're not shouting, but we're just singing loud. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. We're so glad you're here. Good job. How about we sing soft? Okay, ready? Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. We're so glad you're here. How about really, really soft? Ready? Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. Rise and shine and be happy, happy. We're so glad you're here. Good job, friends. So, we're gonna sing another song. Well, I have to make our voice a little bit normal because I was singing soft. So, there's this alphabet song that teaches us their sounds. For example, well, let's see if you can remember. Remember the apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Yes, you remember. So the letter, well, the word apple starts with the letter A. And the sound of the letter A is ah. That's right. Apple, ah, 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 apple. That's right. So this song will teach you the letters of all the alphabets. So for example, well, it goes like this. The A said ah. The A said ah. Every letter makes a sound. The A said ah. Yeah. So we'll start from the beginning, starting from the letter A all the way to letter, what's the last letter of the alphabet? Yes, Z. Okay, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. The A said ah. The A said ah. Every letter makes the sound. The A said ah. What's the next letter? B. That's right. The B said B. The B said B. Every letter makes a sound. The B said B. What's the next letter? C. The C said K. The C said K. Every letter makes a sound. The C said K. The D said The G said G. The G said G. Every letter makes a sound. The G said G. The H said H. The H said H. Every letter makes a sound. The H said H. The G, the I said E. The I said E. Every letter makes a sound. The I said E. The J said J. The J said J. Every letter makes a sound. The J said J. The K said K. The K said K. Every letter makes a sound. The K said K. The L said L. Sounds funny. L. The L said L. Every letter makes a sound. The L said L. The M said M. The M said M. Every letter makes a sound. The M said M. The N said N. The N said N. Every letter makes a sound. The N said N. The O said O. The O said O. Every letter makes a sound. The O said O. The P said P. The P said P. Every letter makes a sound. The P said P. The Q said Qua. The Q said Qua. Every letter makes a sound. The Q said Qua. The R said The R said Every letter makes a sound. The R said The S said S. The S says S. Every letter makes a sound. The S says S. The T said T. The T said T. Every letter makes a sound. The T said T. The U said The U said Every letter makes a sound. The U said Almost there. The V said V. The V said V. Every letter makes a sound. The V said V. V, I mean V. The W said W. The W said W. Every letter makes a sound. The W said W. Good. The X said X. The X says X. Every letter makes a sound. The X says X. X. That's really tricky. X. The Y said Y. The Y said Y. Every letter makes a sound. The Y said Y. We're in the last letter. What is it again? Z. The Z said Z. The Z said Z. Every letter makes a sound. The Z says Z. Good job, friends. How about you? Do you know what the first letter of your name is? And if you do, what sound does it make? Mine, Teacher Cat. K, k. Yeah, letter K sounds k, k, k. That's the sound that the letter K makes. Let me know what your name sounds like. I miss you guys. I hope to hear from you soon. As always, see you soon. And I love you guys. Bye-bye.